Ito lang yata ang power bank na may overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, over-voltage protection, over-temperature protection, kaya hindi ako nagtataka kung bakit meron silang Global Award for Innovation. And this is the Tranyu 20,000 mAh power bank. As you can see, for 20K mAh, ganito lang siya kaliit. And napakagaan lang din niya, kasing bigat niya lang tong phone ko. This is capable of 22.5 watts output, kaya fast charging na siya. Nabihira mong makita sa ganito kaliit na power bank. Lika, test natin. And as you can see, yung phone na mismo ang nagsasabi na fast charging siya. Meron na siyang built-in cables, one of which is the Type-C and one Lightning para sa mga previous model ng iPhones. So you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. So with all the comprehensive gadget protection, pagiging slick ng design niya at yung portability, pag binili mo to ngayon, meron ka pang free pouch from the store. Andyan yung link sa Yellow Basket. Sana nagustuhan mo to. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again.